we have the beginning of school year 2023-2024. For grade 11, we have 1,296. For grade 12, we have 1,326. The total of 2,622 enrollment for school year 2023-2024. And at the end of school year, we have grade 11, 1,240, and for grade 12, 1,224, with a total of 2,464. Based on the data, we have a decrease of 158. During ang school, isa na decrease nila. Since senior high school, sa isang school year, kanuhang ka ng enroll.